Hey English learners, welcome back to one more interesting English lesson. I am Ananya. Have you ever said, my phone doesn't work, when you actually meant, my phone won't work? If yes, you are not alone. Most English learners confuse these two phrases, but today I'll clear up all the confusion. This is going to be a very short lesson, so stay tuned. Doesn't work and won't work sound very similar, but they mean very different things. One talks about a problem happening right now, and the other talks about something that refuses to work or fails in the future. Let's understand in more detail. First, doesn't work. Now, doesn't work talks about a problem that already exists. Something is not working right now at the present moment. This is very important. Think of it like a present fact. It's a statement about the current condition. For example, my laptop doesn't work. This means the laptop is broken now. It's not functioning. The remote doesn't work. I'm pressing the buttons on the remote right now and nothing is happening. The channels are not changing or the volume is not going up or down. The link doesn't work. This means the link is already dead. It's a present issue. The car doesn't start. I'm trying now and it's not starting. So what do we understand? We use doesn't work for present problems that already exist. I hope that was clear. Now let's understand won't work. Won't work simply means will not work. Won't is a contraction of will not. This means something is refusing to work, or you have tried but it's not responding. Won't work emphasizes on your attempt or the device or the item's refusal or failure to respond. We use won't work when something refuses to function, or when we know in advance that something is not going to work. Take a look at these examples. My laptop won't work. I'm trying to turn it on, but it refuses. It's not responding. I already know that. My password won't work. I type it and the system refuses to accept it. Maybe I have forgotten my password. The idea won't work. Now this is a prediction. You're trying to say that this plan will fail in the future. The lock key won't turn. I'm trying to turn it, but it's refusing to turn. I hope you got the idea of using won't work. Won't work means refusal. Something is refusing to start or accept. It's a future failure. Let's quickly compare both of them. My laptop doesn't work. This means it's already broken. My laptop won't work. It means it's refusing to turn on. This idea doesn't work. We already tried it before. It failed. This idea won't work. This means I know that this plan will fail in the future. It's a future prediction. This website doesn't work. It means the website is down now. The login page won't work. It means it refuses to accept my login. I hope this comparison made it pretty clear when to use doesn't work and when to use won't work. Now here are some common mistakes what people make. This trick doesn't work on him tomorrow. Now this is wrong. We don't use doesn't work for future predictions. The correct sentence is, this trick won't work on him tomorrow. So when you're talking about future predictions, always use won't work. Mistake number 2. My washing machine won't work since last week. We don't use won't work for permanent problems because the washing machine is not working for a long time, possibly since last week. So here we use doesn't work. My washing machine doesn't work. Mistake number 3. My phone won't doesn't work. We do not use won't and doesn't work together. Use only one depending on the meaning, right? So my phone either doesn't work, it means it's permanently dead. My phone won't work, it means possibly its battery is down. Alright, now let's test your understanding. You have 5 questions on your screen, and in the blanks, you have to either fill doesn't work or won't work. Pause the video here, take a screenshot, and drop your answers in the comments. So English learners, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this very short lesson and cleared the confusion between doesn't work and won't work. If you found this lesson helpful, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends who are learning English. They might need it. I will see you soon with another interesting lesson. Until then, keep learning and keep practicing English. Bye for now.